What if your next home was a front row motion seat to Atlanta's most vibrant lifestyle? Welcome to Grant Park and Summerhill, two iconic neighborhoods that are telling our city's story in real time. And in the center of it all, 383 Pratt Drive, Unit 506, a statement home where modern design meets timeless character. Just across from Pratt Stacks is The Beacon, a vibrant collection of restaurants, shops, and local flavor that makes this pocket of Atlanta feel alive in all the right ways. Just a couple minutes from Pratt Stacks here in Summerhill, you'll find a blend of history and modern convenience. Enjoy eclectic dining, boutique shopping, and even a Publix around the corner. So if you're looking for a place that blends the best of Atlanta with modern comfort and an undeniable sense of lifestyle, Grant Park is calling your name. I'm Aja, and I can't wait to welcome you home to the community that lives, breathes, and inspires.